the black, blue, and white flake to match the trucks. So all the trucks are going to be parked right here. It's going to look pretty cool. It needs airbags. It squats so much with the trailer. Bitch. So we pushed Drew's truck, and my truck is pretty heavy, so the carrier's blowing on mine. So if you drop nuts inside the carrier, since all the gears are stripped, it has something to bite onto, and then the truck will move. That's why we were just able to move it. That's about how tall it's gonna be after we get the new lift put on. Skating. Got the wheels and the tires taken off, got the sway bar and the steering all disconnected. You guys are probably wondering, Gabe, why are you taking your lift off? Is that Brandon 24 valve? With the dually wheel? What is going on?
There's your fucking, what is it?
I think you should just keep it like that, no dually bed. Yeah, dually conversion. Dually convert the world. It looks sick. It's alive.
Oh, fuck, it runs great.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think? We throw the 46s on now?
I think so. Let's do it.
What'd you break now? Oh, they didn't ever even see the tan interior. Oh. Still not a king wrench. We got to hot wire this thing before you start it?
Yeah. Goddamn clutch pedal.
Goddamn. Spit shit. Burn them off!
fuck. I'm not too gas that truck back.
Did you curb my wheels? You about to lay a sticky. Light him up.
No! No! You can't get through there no more!
Okay.
As soon as he sees the tunnel, Brandon's gonna
Oh my god.
game over.
Should we wait for him?
Can't wait for him. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Come on!
Come on!
Wait till they drive through the creek.
You're dead.
Holy!
I know he's straight on like
That's where we almost got stuck.
Yeah!
I said, Jeep on forged wheels goes mudding.
Holy shit. Oh my, what? Whoa.
Is he really?
No way. I don't think my gun.
You want me to snap it back on?
Oh, take it off!
Take it off.
We got tons of rope room.
One left, and it goes up on the side. Oh, that other flare's coming out.
Holy shit.
That other flare's coming out.
Jesus. Oh my god, that Jeep's done.
Oh my god! It just gets
He's gonna die. Oh no.
Oh, he's not doing here!
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, you're good now. Tons of rope.
Yeah, Christian, you're fine,
Man.
Oh, there goes the fender.
You're good.
And there's no turning around at this point.
No.
You're stuck.
So what the fuck do you do if you get stuck? You never get stuck. He might get stuck.
Another one?
This one's easy.
This one's calm.
Oh yeah, my truck can fit through here.
It's funny because you keep going.
This is going to be the best part for him.
Climb this, or you go through the creek.
Oh my, oh jeez. We are vertical
Hey,
right
it's
now.
the fucking tires, dude. These tires
You're
are
gonna know
small.
to Come up this way.
It's better this way.
Right there. I'd back up and hit it as straight as possible. I'm coming back across. Go that way.
Are you guys just full? Hey, you in 4 low? That thing's just fucking struggling. You gotta put that thing in 4 low.
Fuck that fork wheels.
Oh, easy money. Easy.
This one's not too bad.
Wait, what? What? Jesus Christ. What the fuck? That's what we just went off?
Yeah.
Jeep on forged wheels destroys swamp. You ready?
Let's see it.
Holy Jesus Christ, what?
He's gonna fuck his truck up on that.
Nah, he'll be good.
Nah, he'll be good.
That's why the mirror's gone.
Oh, that was a tree.
We still got like 20 more minutes.
Got enough gas for 20 more minutes?
Yeah, we got a little while. We get about like 0.3 miles to the gallon.
23?
No, 0.3.
Oh, okay.
Literally. I think the last tank we were at Badlands, I filled up and I left with empty in one day. I think we did about 40 miles.
You made it.
It's fucking doing pretty good.
You didn't even curve your wheels.
What, you got a flat tire?
You ain't got no flat tire. It's a war wound, dude.
I promise you, it's fine.
Yeah, you know.
Fucking was flexing on a tree.
Flexing on a tree, flipped it over. Brought the
Right on the rough
forklift.
flip.
Here, I got the video.
And that is why the door doesn't shut.
Louis took him out here two-wheel drive and do this. So it's all momentum. So he knows his core's like the back of his hand. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Ford when I was like 12. Literally, we got this Honda Accord for $200. So me and my buddy Tristan, we sent it through here wide open the whole time, never let off.
I'm going.
They're trying to get out.
No.
No.
You can't just leave early. Yeah, let's go.
Go straight off. When you can take a left or a right, just go straight down the hill. That's serious.
Guys trying to leave.
He's scared shit.
This is Jurassic Park. This is where they filmed the movie. You didn't know, David?
Probably.
Oh yeah.
Just go by the water, dude.
Nah, go by the water.
Go by the water. Water's so good.
We'll wash off his forged wheels.
I feel like I'm in fucking, like, literally, I feel like I'm in like a jungle movie.
Oh, we are.
This way. Come this way!
Come on!
There's no way he's making it up this hill.
I've been able to crawl right up it.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem.
It's dry. If it was wet, probably not.
And he's so much wider, he'll be on top of it.
Low pro tires for the win.
What?
Where are we going now?
Forward.
Out. Not out yet. We got one more trail to hit.
And then we get into pizza, pepperoni. Okay, my friend Tony, let's go. Like, literally look like we're just going into a fucking brushy wall. The video of it. Is that fucking deep? Here.
Well, like the other day, we didn't go really into deep water.
Oh no, we gotta take him in the deep water. That's a brand new Jeep. That
Oh, that's what we're going through?
What are we going through?
Okay.
Oh my. Probably like, what the fuck? Oh my God. You see the tail lights hopping every year? Right. What the fuck? They gone.
Oh my God. Holy shit, that's great.
Just gotta keep the ruts. It's like fucking rails.
There's a random hole in the middle. Holy shit! You don't need a frame.
I'll be alright.
Yeah. The Jeep Wrangler on forged wheels went away, and now we're driving through a creek.
Yeah, he wouldn't have made this. This isn't how the steering box gets broken at all.
Nah, we'll be fine.
Oh
yeah.
Oh yeah. Or they're gonna be on the side over there, seeing us just.
Oh, there's water. Oh, it's mud.
This is a creek, my dude.
Right.
Jeez. It gets deep up here.
I hope the camera's doing it justice on how like brutal this is. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Hell yeah, bro!
We found him.
Take them to sergeants.
Nah, we're fine.
A few inches later.
Oh,
Hey, over here, over here.
Jesus Christ!
I thought you said you wheeled before. I have. Not with this shit, bro. Huh? Got this shit on
What?
there. Fucking stock suspension.
You drive it.
Oh, almost! Do you want me to pull you?
Give it some gas.
Fucking antlers in the tire.
Good job, buddy. Now you can say you went wheeling.
Oh, yeah. I'd say that's pretty good. Yo, we left for like, what, a half hour and I came back and my lift was gone. Well, the front half of it. Back's still there. Somebody stole the front of my lift. What the heck?